Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video, we are opening up a Fabfitfun. So let's get in and let's get into the box. All right guys, welcome back. So like I said, we're opening up a Fabfitfun. Now this is the fall box. If you guys have been following the channel ever since I started unboxing stuff, you guys know Fabfitfun is like one of my favorite subscriptions. I've actually turned off all of my subscription boxes because this one seems to be the best one, especially for what you get for the price. I don't need to continuously get monthly subscriptions. So at this point, I've basically turned everything off beside one. You guys will find out in a couple videos once that does come. I've kept that one for a while, but let's talk about this one. So Fabfitfun, if you don't know, Fabfitfun is a quarterly subscription. That's what I love about it. So it's basically seasonal. So every season you will get a new box. You get to customize it. You get to choose what you're getting, obviously the same thing. And then they send you a couple goodies. But if you pay for the year, I don't pay for the year, but if you do pay for the year, you actually get more options. I'm good with what I've had so far, which is just the customization of the few items that I get to choose. And then I like to get surprises because then it reminds me of like those monthly subscriptions that I did used to get. So it's $49.99 a month, not a month. It's $49.99 a quarter. But I'll put a coupon code underneath the video, or if you're watching this on the blog, there'll be a $10 off coupon code that you can use so that you can save $10 off of your first box. So every season, the theme for the box does change depending on the season. So they've started to have, and I'm gonna show you guys this, they've started to do, they've changed their packaging. So these are like reusable, recyclable packages. So this is what this fall box looks like. It's super big compared to like the last one. The last one I had seemed to be like almost half the size. So I'm definitely curious as to see what's in here. I already know some things are in here, but like I said, I don't pay for the year. I'm only paying for the season. So some of the items I have no idea. All right, so this is what it looks like when you open the box. And then we have like the recyclable packaging, which is perfect. And then the magazine, I didn't realize was recyclable too, so this is perfect. So this is what the front looks like there. And it gives you, this is so Padma Lakshmi, sorry if I messed up the name. I've seen her on TV. I'm sure she's an actress or a model. I'm not too sure. If you know, definitely put in the comments because I'm drawing a blank right now. But the magazine is definitely recyclable. I can tell from it's usually, it was like shiny, but they wanted to change up the way that they're sending us products. And then in the inside, they give you different tips and stuff like that. But they do have like the listing of everything. So I saw there's recipes in there. Let me just show you really quickly so you guys can have an idea. So everything there, and then different, I saw recipes somewhere, but we'll figure it out later just in case I want to cook something. Okay, so that's everything in there. And then this is everything without falling over that is in the box. So let's start with the first thing that's popping out right here. So the first thing I have here is HelloFresh. This is $80, and there's usually a coupon, $80 off. Sorry, I didn't mention that. I haven't used these. I don't know why I get them with every Fabfitfun, and I've yet to use one of these coupons. I definitely should use it, especially maybe for like Thanksgiving or something, but those are good coupons. I've heard a lot of people compliment HelloFresh, and I've yet to use it myself, so that's my bad. All right, so this must be a sample, obviously, because this is really small, but this is a sample of Woolite. We wash clothes like crazy, so I'm definitely gonna use this. This is Woolite All Darks. I've never gotten a sample inside of Fabfitfun, so that was super cool. And then, okay, so let's start from these are the actual items. So let me get to the page. Okay, so what is in the box? So one of the items that I knew was coming here, I'll leave it the way that it's half open. This is multivitamin masks. These are 5 masks that are in here. So this is what it looks like there. And then the masks, let me see. 3C. Okay, so this retails for $40. So if you follow the channel, you guys know I love masks. So that is what that looks like there. And it gives you a description on the back on how much to use them for. So this is usually about 20 to 30 minutes. This is 20 minutes. So we're definitely gonna get use out of that. So that's one. And if you think about it, just these masks alone, the retail value of them, that's, if you get $10 off, that's your box right there. So that's, we've already, we're equal to what we needed to get. All right, so the next item here is Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is clear brow gel. I'm trying to look for the retail value of this one. I believe I've gotten this before in my Allure beauty box. I'm just looking for the price. Okay, so this alone is $22. So just those two things there. And I'm not gonna open it because if you don't know, when you open up one of these mascaras or gels, the expiration date actually expires at that point. So I don't wanna open it, but I do want to share the packaging with you. So that's what it looks like. I love the packaging of this product here. It's like sleek and simple, and it looks good on your makeup counter. And then the next thing we have here, let me see if I can find this one. This is the Beauty Crop. This is Glow Milk. This is coconut and argan oil. So that is what that looks like there. Let me see if I can find this here. And if it's not in the book, usually that means that was like a free bonus. So let me see if I can find this here. The Beauty Crop, let me see. Oh, I see it. Okay, so this is $19.99. Let me see. Kind of want to open up the package just to see what this one looks like. Perfect, that's why I do it in the kitchen. That's why I do my videos in the kitchen. All right, so give me 1 second so I can show you guys what this looks like. Okay, so this is what this looks like here. So that's that. Let me make sure that that's the same thing that is. This could be a bonus because I actually don't see this as a listing of the products. So this could be a bonus. This says it is, let me see. What is this for? Okay, so this is for your face. So it says it's liquid hydration with coconut oil. So let me see if it actually smells like coconut. And it does have like a scented coconut scent to it. So let me see. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like here. Looks like more of a highlighter, and on my blog I'll put the information more so I can kind of get a handle of what this one. Yeah, it seems to be like you can see a little bit of makeup there, so it looks like this is gonna be for your face, obviously. But I don't see this listed in the magazine, so I can't give you guys more information on it. So this is probably one of the bonus items that I didn't choose, but they chose for me, kind of based on like your preferences. And that's why I got the mask in a sense. Let me give you guys more information on the mask since I do have that here. So give me a second. It says nourish your skin with vitamin B3, B5, B6, C, and E when you use this ultra thin mask. So that's what that one's for. And then clear brow gel, you guys know what that is, so I'm not gonna go through that one, but you know, it is what it is. And then on the blog, I'll put, you follow me on the blog, you guys, it'll be under the video if you wanna take a look at that, but it'll have a description of what each item is for so you guys can get a better feel for it. And then the next thing we have here is Perfect Repair. This is treatment mask, color safe. It says Nature Lab Tokyo. So that is what that is. And then this is, where are you? This is $16. And what this is, use this treatment mask to restore dull hair from the scalp to strands with keratin technology and argan and prickly pear oil. So that is what that is. And I'm gonna take a look at this because if you've been following my blog, you guys know I'm in this natural curly hair journey. So I'm very, very careful on the stuff that I put in my hair because I'm trying to get my curls naturally back, which they are coming back on their own, but I stay away from parabens and like other silicones and stuff like that. So I gotta make sure that this is not included in any of that at all. So I'm very, very picky right now. And I'll be, if you follow the blog, I'll be reviewing some products that I'm actually using. If you want to kind of go into that natural hair journey yourself, there's like, I've already posted like steps that you can do that yourself. But let me see what stands out for this. It has like an earthy scent to it. So not a scent, but it kind of has like a non-earthy scent to it. So it's not like bad, but like I said, as long as this is fine, it says bamboo stem cells. So it kind of has like, it does smell like bamboo because I have Lucky Bamboo in my kitchen right over there. It kind of does smell like bamboo if you've ever tried bamboo before. As far as like lotion or anything like that, this does have that scent. I don't see anything as far as like the ingredients, but like I said, all the information for this one will be on my blog too, because I need to make sure that I can actually use this, or maybe we'll do a giveaway, who knows, but definitely check the blog because I'll have more information there. And then the next thing we have here is from 8 Reasons. This is, let me see, it's hair clips. Obviously you can see that there, but I want to give you guys a retail value of this one. And if you've tried any of the products, definitely let me know. So it says this is $22. Just pin your hair to perfection with this trio of resin plated pins. Okay, and $22. Obviously, I would not pay $22 myself, but if I get it in a box, then I'm down for it. So we're good. That's what that looks like there. And I like the colors because they're like pastel colors. So that's cool. And I usually, when I'm home, I usually put my hair back so it stays out of my face when I'm cooking or cleaning or just working in general. You can see I put my glasses up here. Being that my hair is like out, I try not to pin it back or put it in a ponytail, but I'll use like satin hair ties and things like that just to put it back. So these I lightly use so that my hair can kind of rest from always being up in the clip and stuff like that. So that was that. And the next one we have here is, let me see, it says Pedin in a box, pumpkin spice. It includes 2-step, oh, this is pedicures. I'm like, what the heck is this? So this is a pedicure set. Let me see what this is, how much this is for. Where are you? Oh, it's the first one, sorry. So this is $20 and it says includes 2-step, 4-step pedicures. Oh, it includes, I'm like, how the heck is that? All right, so this is made with pumpkin extract, the fruit, enzymes naturally exfoliate dead skin cells, and vitamin A, C, and E helps to reveal radiant skin. So I'm definitely gonna use that this weekend. Let me see if I can give you guys kind of a heads up on what this is. Okay, so they come in packets. So this is the way that it looks like. So it tells you obviously step one. Step 1 is a salt soak. And then step 2, let me see what step 2 is, a sugar scrub. And then step 3 is a mud mask for your foot. And then a massage butter. So I'm definitely gonna give this a try this weekend just to give my feet a break from the I call them chanclas, but from the slippers that I use every day, being that my feet are out. Now we have to go into the boot weather, so you gotta get your feet ready for boots. All right, so next things we have, let me see. Okay, a scratch off ticket. It looks like it's for a wine company called Bright Cellars. So hopefully out of this whole thing, maybe we win some wine. Excuse me, I don't know. I'm just making sure I have 2, okay, so 2 things left. Seriously, I told you guys, this is a big box. All right, so the next thing we have here, okay, let me go to the front because this is actually 2 things that I definitely chose. So this one, what is this? This is from Soya and Kyo. So you guys can see that there. This is actually $85. What this is a cardigan. So what this was is kind of like a sweater slash cardigan slash sweater. So this is what that looks like here. So if you look, it had, hold on, it's kind of like a has like a you see there, it has like a couple colors on it. And this, I work from home. Well, I've always worked from home, even before all the craziness of the world, but I work from home, so I kind of, this is something that I can use, you know, in front of the computer just to chill at home. And if you can see there, it really is any size fits all. And it has actually some fringes on the bottom. I'm that person in my house who's always cold. So this is definitely something I can use without making everyone put a heater. So this is gonna be for me, for everywhere I go in my house. And then the last thing I was excited about was actually this, because I needed a new purse. So let me tell you guys the retail value for this. Let me see, hold on. The retail value for this, where are you? I believe it's like $100. Yeah, $128 is what this one was. So this is really the reason why I wanted to get the Fabfitfun. So this one, this is what it looks like. So it's a tote bag. And this is bought here, New York Bond tote. So this is $128. So you had a choice. So I'm gonna show you guys all the choices just in case you kind of wanted to know what you could have gotten. So these are the choices that you could have chosen. So you see, this is the purse, this is the purse, and then there's other items there. I've gotten a straightening iron before, and then these are other items that you could have chosen. And then I'm gonna show you the next thing here. You could have chosen these items, and of course you could have chosen these items. So what did you guys think of the Fabfitfun for the fall? Definitely let me know in the comment section below what you guys thought. Have you tried Fabfitfun before? Have you tried any of these products before? Like I said, I was more so excited. I wanted the sweater, but my thing was the purse. Everything else was just extra, because $50 isn't bad, because $50 is usually a purse alone. Usually, well, and anyway, in my spending habit, you know, I don't go past $50. So $50 for this a box was perfect for me. Plus I got a whole bunch of extra stuff that I'm gonna get use out of. I've gotten use out of every Fabfitfun box before, since I've had this over a year now. I've had this subscription. This is like one of the only subscriptions, like I said, that I've kept since doing YouTube videos here. But definitely, if you guys dug this video, definitely make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss another video. And with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a good day, guys.